Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to show or hide your ribbons in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. If somehow you're wondering what are ribbons, it's the one that's located here on the upper portion of Microsoft Excel. Now, if one day you opened your Microsoft Excel and you couldn't find your ribbons anywhere, don't worry because I'm going to teach you where to find it again. All you have to do is go to the upper right portion of Microsoft Excel and click on this icon here which says Ribbon Display Options. If you click it, you can either choose three of the options right here. The default one should be the Show Tabs and Commands. All it does is it displays everything you need in Microsoft Excel. This is what you should be seeing once you have a fresh install of Microsoft Excel. Other options are Show Tabs, where only the tabs are shown, and when you click on one, the ribbons would appear. Once you open this option, clicking anywhere within the spreadsheet closes the ribbons again. And lastly, there's this Auto Hide Ribbon option, and once you click it, the ribbons on top just disappears. To show it again, all you have to do is go to the top part of your Excel, and once it turns green, just click it and the ribbon should show up. But personally, I prefer using the default one as it is what I'm used to using for my daily Excel videos. So let's go ahead and go to Show Tabs and Commands. And there we have it. This is how we show or hide ribbons in Microsoft Excel.